Hey there, house hunters. If you're diving into the real estate market in 2025, Zillow is still your ultimate tool for finding the perfect home, especially those can't miss open houses. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the steps to make your search super easy and efficient. First off, why bother with open houses? They give you a real feel for the property, let you chat with agents, and could snag you a great deal. Let's jump right in. Start by opening the Zillow app or website on your device. It's free and user-friendly. Once you're logged in, head to the search bar at the top. Type in your desired location, like homes for sale in your city, and hit enter. Now, here's the key part. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a bunch of filters. Scroll down until you find the Open House option. It's usually under the More Filters section. Check that box, and Zillow will instantly narrow down your results to only properties hosting open houses. Pro tip for 2025, Zillow has upgraded its Map View feature. Switch to the Map tab to see pins for open houses in your area. You can zoom in, check dates and times directly on the pin, and even filter by date to see upcoming events this weekend. If you're using the app, enable notifications so you get alerts for new open houses in your saved searches. It's a game changer for staying ahead. Once you've found a few options, double-check the details. Look for the open house schedule, any COVID-19 guidelines if applicable, and photos to ensure it's worth your time. Remember, in 2025, Zillow might have new virtual tour integrations, so you can preview homes remotely before visiting. And there you have it. Finding open houses on Zillow is straightforward and can save you hours of hassle. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more real estate tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Happy house hunting!